Welcome to Adu Globe. Discover new ideas, learn exciting things, and be amazed every day. Did you know that one of the most powerful natural forces on Earth, the Yellowstone Supervolcano, is hidden right beneath our feet? This isn't just any volcano. It's a living giant with thousands of years of magma stored deep below. Today, we'll uncover its fascinating story, explore the history of its massive eruptions, and see how scientists monitor it with cutting-edge technology. Could this supervolcano really erupt someday? Or is it just a natural wonder we can safely observe? In today's video, we take you inside the hidden world beneath Yellowstone, where science, nature, and incredible power collide. Yellowstone National Park is not only famous for its breathtaking beauty but also home to one of the most powerful natural forces on Earth, the Yellowstone Supervolcano. The park is located in the northwestern United States, near the borders of Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho. Yellowstone's geological significance comes from its hotspot, a continuously active source of heat where magma rises close to the Earth's surface. This hotspot creates Yellowstone's unique surface features, including geysers, hot springs, and steaming vents, showcasing the raw power beneath our feet. The hotspot has been active for millions of years, continuously producing magma beneath the Earth. Over time, this magma forms a massive underground chamber that occasionally shapes surface phenomena and, in rare cases, has the potential for catastrophic eruptions. Maps of Yellowstone reveal the park's vast landscape, including forests, rivers, lakes, and these extraordinary geothermal features. Scientists constantly monitor the area to track seismic activity, magma movement, and ground deformation. Because of the hotspot, magma rises close to the surface, giving rise to geyser eruptions, steam vents, and colorful hot springs. These features make Yellowstone not only a natural wonder but also a living laboratory for scientists worldwide. Its geological characteristics, like the magma chamber, earthquakes, and hotspot activity, help us understand how the Earth is constantly alive and changing. In short, Yellowstone is more than a national park. It is a living, breathing geological giant. Its underground heat and surface wonders reveal the incredible and sometimes terrifying forces shaping our planet. Every geyser, hot spring, and steam vent reminds us of the hidden power beneath the Earth, offering a stunning balance between science and nature. A supervolcano is one of the most fascinating and powerful natural phenomena on Earth. How is it different from a regular volcano? Regular volcanoes usually form from small magma chambers and produce limited eruptions, but a supervolcano sits atop a massive underground magma chamber that can take millions of years to fill. This is why supervolcanoes can unleash incredibly large eruptions after thousands of years, with the potential to affect entire continents. The eruptions of a supervolcano are far more powerful than ordinary volcanic eruptions. They can reshape the landscape, change local and even global climate, and cover vast areas with pyroclastic flows and volcanic ash. For example, past eruptions of the Yellowstone supervolcano spread volcanic material over thousands of square miles, drastically altering the environment across North America. The real danger exists only when the magma chamber becomes highly pressurized and pushes toward the surface. What makes supervolcanoes even more fascinating is that they are still active today. The heat beneath Yellowstone fuels its geysers, hot springs, and steam vents, making it not only a natural wonder but also a living laboratory for scientists studying Earth's hidden forces. The difference between a supervolcano and a regular volcano lies in the sheer power and size of the magma chamber, which makes it one of the most impressive and potentially dangerous forces in Earth's history. It reminds us that our planet is alive, constantly changing, and capable of extraordinary events. In short, a supervolcano is more than just a volcano. It's a living giant beneath the Earth, whose heat, power, and potential impact continue to amaze scientists and thrill anyone fascinated by nature. Thinking about Yellowstone or any other supervolcano, it becomes clear that the forces beneath our feet can always shape our world in incredible ways, making them a truly captivating topic for any video. The Yellowstone supervolcano has experienced several massive and astonishing eruptions throughout its history, shaping both the geology and environment of the region. The largest eruptions occurred approximately 2.1 million, 1.3 million, and 630,000 years ago, covering vast areas with volcanic ash and pyroclastic flows, and dramatically altering the North American landscape. These eruptions were so powerful that layers of ash hundreds of feet thick blanketed thousands of square miles, and countless trees were either burned or buried. The impact of these eruptions went far beyond the land. Volcanic ash and gases released into the atmosphere blocked sunlight, causing significant drops in temperature, a phenomenon sometimes called a volcanic winter. This sudden cooling affected crops, disrupted ecosystems, and even threatened the survival of some animal species. These historical eruptions of Yellowstone remind us that Earth is a living and powerful planet, with energy beneath the surface capable of affecting entire regions. Fortunately, today scientists closely monitor Yellowstone's seismic activity, ground heat, and underground magma movements to better predict any potential eruptions. This not only helps us understand the planet's past but also highlights the incredible connection between nature's forces and scientific discovery. Yellowstone Supervolcano is a living example of how Earth's hidden power can awe and educate us, making it one of the most fascinating natural phenomena on the planet. Today, Yellowstone Supervolcano continues to be one of the most closely monitored natural phenomena in the world. Beneath the surface lies its massive magma chambers, reservoirs of molten rock that can extend for tens of kilometers. While these chambers are hidden deep underground, scientists can track their activity and movements using advanced monitoring technologies. The United States Geological Survey (USGS), along with other experts, continuously measures seismic activity, ground deformation, and geothermal changes to understand how the volcano behaves and to detect any warning signs of potential eruptions. Seismometers placed throughout Yellowstone record tiny earthquakes and tremors, revealing the slow movement of magma beneath the Earth's surface. Scientists also use GPS stations to track even the slightest swelling or sinking of the ground, which can indicate that magma is shifting or accumulating. In addition, thermal sensors and satellite imaging help monitor changes in heat and steam from geysers and hot springs, which are indirect clues about the pressure and temperature inside the magma chambers. Geologists explain that Yellowstone is a living volcano, constantly active on a geological scale, even if eruptions are extremely rare. The combination of seismic data, ground heat measurements, gas emissions, and satellite observations provides a comprehensive picture of what is happening below our feet. This careful monitoring ensures that any significant changes in volcanic activity are detected early, giving scientists and authorities time to prepare if needed. The supervolcano's underground activity also powers Yellowstone's famous geothermal features, like Old Faithful, colorful hot springs, and fumaroles, which are visible signs of the immense energy below. By studying these features, researchers gain valuable insight into the behavior of magma and the risks posed by such enormous underground systems. In short, Yellowstone is not just a natural wonder but a living laboratory, helping scientists understand the dynamics of supervolcanoes. Continuous observation of its magma chambers and surface activity allows us to learn, predict, and appreciate the immense forces shaping our planet. Despite the hidden power beneath, current monitoring and scientific research ensure that Yellowstone remains a fascinating yet carefully studied feature of the Earth, combining the thrill of discovery with the safety provided by modern technology. Yellowstone National Park is not only home to the world's largest supervolcano but also one of the most amazing natural landscapes on Earth. Its geothermal features, like geysers, hot springs, and fumaroles, are visible signs of the massive underground magma chambers that power the park. Old Faithful, one of the most famous geysers, erupts with remarkable precision, shooting steaming water high into the air and leaving visitors in awe. But Yellowstone is full of surprises beyond just geysers. Vibrant hot springs display stunning colors ranging from deep blues to bright oranges and yellows, caused by heat-loving microbes that thrive in the mineral-rich water. Walking through Yellowstone, you can see hot springs bubbling, steam rising, and rivers flowing past untouched forests and mountains. Each corner of the park tells a story of Earth's hidden energy and how it shapes the environment above. Scientists study these geothermal areas carefully because changes in water temperature, steam activity, or ground movement can indicate shifts in the magma chambers below. At the same time, visitors experience breathtaking natural beauty, from majestic waterfalls to serene lakes and wildflower-filled meadows. This combination of geological power and scenic wonder makes Yellowstone a living laboratory for scientists and a paradise for nature lovers. It reminds us that Earth is constantly alive and moving, even when we only see calm forests or clear lakes above. By observing the geysers, hot springs, and other geothermal features, we get a glimpse of the incredible energy hidden beneath our feet. Yellowstone is a place where science, adventure, and natural beauty come together, offering experiences that educate, inspire, and leave lasting memories for everyone who visits or watches about it. Yellowstone Supervolcano is a sleeping giant, and while it is closely monitored, scientists know that if it were ever to erupt on a massive scale, the effects could be felt around the world. A supereruption would release enormous amounts of volcanic ash and gases into the atmosphere, covering large parts of the United States in thick ash layers. This ash could damage buildings, block sunlight, and disrupt transportation and communication systems. On a global scale, the eruption could lead to climate changes, as sunlight blocked by ash and aerosols would temporarily cool the Earth, potentially affecting growing seasons and food production. Crops could fail, and food supplies might become scarce in some regions. The eruption would also send pyroclastic flows and lava across the surrounding landscapes, destroying forests, rivers, and wildlife habitats. However, it is important to know that scientists continuously monitor Yellowstone using seismic networks, GPS, satellite imaging, and gas measurements. These systems track the slightest ground movement, tremors, or changes in geothermal activity, giving experts the ability to detect warning signs well in advance. While the potential consequences of a supereruption sound dramatic, the risk of one happening in our lifetime is very low. Yellowstone remains a fascinating natural wonder and a living laboratory, helping researchers understand the power of supervolcanoes and how the Earth's interior works. By studying its behavior and maintaining constant surveillance, scientists ensure that we are prepared for any unusual activity while allowing millions of visitors to safely enjoy its unique beauty every year. Yellowstone Supervolcano is a true wonder of nature, showing both the incredible power and hidden dangers of our planet. Beneath the calm forests, lakes, and geysers lies a giant magma system that has shaped the Earth over thousands of years. While its eruptions in the past were massive and world-changing, today scientists carefully monitor every movement, every tremor, and every change in geothermal activity. This continuous observation helps ensure that we can stay safe while appreciating the breathtaking natural beauty of Yellowstone. Understanding Yellowstone reminds us of the delicate balance between Earth's power and human curiosity. From erupting geysers to colorful hot springs, from serene lakes to steaming fumaroles, every feature tells a story of the incredible forces beneath our feet. By studying these natural wonders, scientists can learn how supervolcanoes work and how to predict any unusual activity, giving humanity the chance to prepare for the unlikely but possible events in the future. Nature teaches us awe, respect, and the importance of science. Yellowstone is not just a park, it is a living laboratory, a reminder of the Earth's power, and a place where adventure, learning, and wonder come together. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Yellowstone Supervolcano, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more fascinating videos about the wonders of our planet, amazing science, and the forces that shape our world. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring.